Hey folks, I hope you're having a great day. This is Mark, and you are attending Conf42 Observability 2023. We have some great stuff in store for you, so without further ado, let's begin. This event was brought to you by our silver sponsors, Unpack.tech, the newsletter partner, and media partners. We opened the event with a session by Alberto, Gastaldello and Andrea Caretta from Liquid Reply, Italy. Hacking Open Telemetry, manipulating the observability pillars.
Hi all! Let me tell you why you should assist to this webinar about OpenTelemetry. Complex distributed systems handle data adapting different formats, and sometimes they are not clearly intelligible by the target platforms, or they are representing information in an uncomfortable way. Thanks to OpenTelemetry, we show you how to become agnostic from every type of source with a chance to manipulate and transform data for your purposes. Hope you join us!
For the next one, please join me in welcoming Aswin Kumar, Senior Director at Infosys Limited. He will teach you how to set up intelligent observability, a business architecture approach.
Hi everyone, please join me on my talk on intelligent observability, taking a business architecture approach. In this session, we'll be talking about the recent trends and shifts and share with you the experiences on how we can take a unique architecture approach and tying it with the systems. See you there, thanks.
Observe your API with API Gateway plugins is the next exciting topic presented by Bobur Umurzokov, developer advocate at Apache AP6.
Hi everyone, my name is Bobur and I am a developer advocate for Apache API 6. In my session, you will learn how to observe your APIs with API Gateway and its plugins, because we know that modern API gateways provides the built-in connectors to all the popular observability platforms, and you can easily observe your APIs without need for additional SDKs, libraries, and tools. You will enjoy my session. See you soon.
For the next lecture, it's our pleasure to have Eyal Trabelsi, architect at Bigabit. Apparently, you can debug your SQL queries.
Hi, please join me for my talk on debugging SQL queries. I'm really excited to walk through why it's so important and how it can be achieved in an effective manner. I'm really looking forward for this talk, and I hope you all enjoy the content.
Now let's dive into the realm of AI. Let us present Gareth Emslie, cloud strategist at Dynatrace, exploring ChatGPT for improved observability.
Hello, please join me for my session on exploring ChatGPT for improved observability. In today's world, observability has become a critical aspect of any system, and ChatGPT is a powerful tool that could potentially help us achieve better results. In this session, we will explore some of the challenges which are experienced by DevOps teams when monitoring their workloads. We will also discuss some of the features of ChatGPT and large language models, which may be beneficial for DevOps teams.
Next up is Henrik Rexed, cloud-native advocate at Dynatrace. The art of event-driven observability with OpenTelemetry.
This session is all about OpenTelemetry, but in a specific context, the event-driven architecture. We're going to obviously talk about OpenTelemetry. We look at the various components involved in OpenTelemetry, how to produce traces, because today we're going to focus mainly on tracing. Then we're going to jump into our topic of today, which is event-driven architecture, and see the various way of instrumenting your event-driven architecture application.
Use Falco and eBPF to protect your applications is the next great talk by Thomas Labarussias, ecosystem advocate at Sysdig. Prepare to gain invaluable insights into application security and defense mechanisms.
Hi everybody, join me to discover or know better about what runtime security means. We'll see how we can combine the power of eBPF and Falco to detect in real time the strange behaviors or threats that may happen in your hosts, containers, or clusters. For that, we'll explain what are the benefits of eBPF for monitoring and how Falco can be set through its rules. See you.
Next, we have Fred Moyer, SRE Observability Engineer. He will present some techniques for SLOs and error budgets at scale.
Hey, Conf42 Observability. I'm one of your speakers, Fred Moyer. I'll be talking to you about techniques for SLOs and error budgets at scale. I'm coming to you from sunny, foggy San Francisco, and I've had my coffee. I'm revved up and ready to present. So I hope everyone enjoys this kind of greatest hits of my SLO talks over the past few years. Thanks.
Observability and Service Level Indicator Compliance Watch is the next topic presented by Diren Akkoc, Junior Cloud Software Developer at Furmanek.
Please join me to take a few moments to explore the fascinating world of observability and introduce you to a game-changing tool called SlickWatch. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exciting journey together. Let's dive into observability and discover the incredible capabilities of SlickWatch. Hope you enjoy the conference. Thank you.
Next, we are headed towards an exciting session by Pawel Piwosz, developer advocate at Spacelift. Use the observability look.
My name is Pawel Piwosz and I've been working for Spacelift as developer advocate for a couple of days today. So this is quite new for me. And also I am DevOps Institute ambassador, AWS community builder, and CD Foundation ambassador. So now you'll know why I will talk about AWS, right?
Observability, the key to unlocking GitOps, is the next session by Alejandro Mercado, sales and DevOps engineer at KMX. Prepare to discover the synergy between observability and GitOps methodologies.
Hi there, I'm Alex and I will be talking about observability, the key to unlocking GitOps. In this brief talk, I just want to point out what GitOps is, why you may consider it or not, and why you can't do GitOps without observability. So for sure, cloud-native observability is a new skill and task that you must consider add to your DevOps scene. Thanks for joining in. See you there.
Our next speaker is Adam Furmanek, DevRel at Metis. He will fill in the missing chapter in your CI playbook with database guardrails.
Hello everyone and thank you for tuning in. Let's see how we can improve our CI/CD pipelines, how we can monitor and troubleshoot our databases, and most importantly, how we can prevent the bad code from reaching production. I hope you'll like it and please enjoy the conference.
What is observability-driven development? This question will be answered by Adnan Rahic, Senior Developer Advocate at TraceTest.
Hey everyone, I'm Adnan. And yeah, super happy to be here at Conf42 Observability. Thrilled to be here. Thanks for the invite. And yeah, I'll be talking about something bleeding edge. It's going to be about observability-driven development. So the totally new paradigm of how you can write traces or trace instrumentation whilst writing your code in parallel. And then once you're done with that, you can also learn how to test both your traces and your code simultaneously. So it's a super, super cool new paradigm shift. And yeah, happy to be talking about it and see you.
Last but certainly not least, we have Shai Almog, the founder of debugagent.com, developer observability, the fourth pillar.
Today, we'll talk about developer observability, which I think should be the fourth pillar of observability. I wrote a few books, including one about debugging, which covers all of the topics we'll discuss here. I've worked in this industry for decades in many companies and as a consultant. I also worked at Sun, which became Oracle, etc. You can contact me over my socials listed here and follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Check out my YouTube channel and my blog for videos and posts in this style. This is my April book titled Practical Debugging at Scale. Everything in today's talk is in there and a lot more.
That's all we've got for you at Conf42 Observability 2023. As always, FreeRSVP is all it takes to access all the content. Many thanks to our speakers, partners and sponsors for making this event a reality, and to you for being with us and attending. Please make sure to join our Discord server to have a chat with other attendees and speakers. Head straight to #Observability channel. We hope to see you there in a minute. That was Mark. Thank you so much and have a great time at Conf42 Observability 2023. Cheers!